answer me when I call, O God of my righteousness. You gave me relief when I was in distress. Be gracious to me and hear my prayer. O sons of men, how long will my honor be turned into shame? How long will you love delusions and seek false gods? Know that the Lord has set apart the godly for Himself. The Lord hears when I call to Him. Be angry and do not sin. Ponder in your hearts upon your beds and be silent. Offer right sacrifices and trust in the Lord. Many are saying, who will show us any good? Lift up the light of your face upon us, O Lord. You have put more joy in my heart than they have when their grain and wine abound. In peace